Hey Pyros, Lord Pyros speaking. Picked up this nice assortment at my local grocery store. I'm sure they sell it everywhere else right now. Grocery stores are popping off with TNT products, so which is real cool. Very easy to pick up, low budget. So I'm gonna unbox this for you right now, and I can't wait to open it myself. Well, I'm glad you're back, Pyros. I got it open, and really easy to open out the box. Just slide it right out of there and got the package out. Really easy. Did it even with one finger. But we'll take a look at it. Start from the top and work our way from the bottom. Hold on. So we got TNT Rose Blossom. Looks really cool. Really nice box. I'm sure it's very strong. Flash fountain. There might be some little fountains in there. 5 pieces. Squash. Looks really cool. Oh, flash fountains. Oh yeah, these are nice. These sparks up and give a little bit of color. Oh, look at this. Oh, some punk. Oh, okay. This is nice. 5 piece of punk, huh? Nice. Okay. You got another box of flash fountain. These are nice to do on your downtime, Pyros. Gold dust. These are real nice. These are nice to light up. Hey. Hey, yay. This looks like the other one. But that looks cool. Nice and heavy. Silver shell. I mean snow. Troll. Looks nice. Pyro fan. There's that half paint. Pint of beer. Oh, it's a beer. Oh, okay, I see it now. That looks cool. It's my first time looking at this stuff. Honky tonk. Oh, this is like a nice picture. See, this part looks like it's a party product. Like people just like to have a good time, you know. Like Pyro just like to have a good time. Red Sparrow. Nice. What's this here? Global lights. This might be like a finale one. But really cool product. I like it. Can't wait to light them on the downtime. So if you want me to show y'all a demo or whatever, comment, subscribe, like. Peace out, Pyros. Bless up.